make the investment in a coach. If I was to give some advice for someone just starting out with ServiceTitan, I would say make the investment in a coach that's going to stand by you side by side and help you implement the things that you want to implement. What you're wanting to implement is going to be different for every single business and every single business owner. So having that coach that knows how to do it,
I get it,
is going to help you shorten that learning curve and just jump right to success. We want to try to get there as fast as possible, and if it costs us a little bit of money, it'll be well worth it.